following is a brief excerpt from my online course on trading pullbacks. I hope you enjoy it. To receive a discount coupon for the complete course, check the link in the description below. Here's a price chart with an uptrend. We'll review what we've learned up to this point, then set our stop loss. When we apply the Keltner channel, it shows that price has pushed above the outer band. We're now looking for a pullback. Next, we set the parameters of our target pullback range. Module 2.4 covered this step. Fast forward a few price bars, and a pullback has indeed occurred. The target pullback zone also shifted slightly in response to price movement. Based on what was discussed in Module 3.1, we note the pullback doesn't display undue conviction. This is still a trade candidate. Move forward another price bar, and we have with trend momentum. This was covered in Module 3.2. We'll enter a long trade. Now it's time to place the stop loss. Here's the last low point that occurred right before the setup trend leg. We want to be below that with a small buffer. Next, make sure we're at least 2.5 ATRs away from our entry. Not quite, so we'll push the stop back to that point. Now it's set. Next, let's look at a downtrend example. In this chart, the last price bar breaks below the channel band. The next step is to set the target pullback range. Price then moves sideways with reduced volatility. As the target area adjusts to these changes, it encompasses the current price action. This is a valid pullback. The next bar rallies, then fully reverses. This with trend momentum triggers a short entry. Referencing the last high point before the setup leg, we set our stop loss. This is sometimes open to interpretation. We could have just as easily chosen this point. In either case, it's outside the 2.5 ATR range, so no adjustment to stop location is needed. A primary reason wider stops are favored is to accommodate something called the complex pullback. That's the subject of the next module. To receive a discount coupon for the complete course, check the link in the description below.